Hey everyone, welcome to our next lesson where we're going to examine a number of different materials and identify whether they are conductors or insulators. So take a minute to think or remind yourself what a conductor is and what an insulator is. A conductor is a material that when it is attached or combined to an electrical current, it will continue that flow so that everything keeps on going and, for example, that light still runs. However, an insulator does the opposite. What it does, if it is part of a circuit, it will actually stop the electrons from flowing through, which will make that light bulb no longer light up because there is something that essentially blocks the path. So let's start with our yarn right here. And I want you to think about yarn and all the other ones and take a guess or a prediction what you think's going to happen. What do you think? Do you think the yarn is a conductor or an insulator? Then move on to copper. Is that a conductor or insulator? And go and I would like you to try identify or take a prediction about what you believe is going to happen. So I'll give you a moment to do that. Now let's try our experiment. So we'll start with a yarn and let's see if your prediction comes out true. So the yarn is an insulator. It does not allow for the current to go through. We don't see any lines on this. So let's switch over to copper. So we see here, as the current goes through, the light bulb is lighting up and the copper is a good conductor. And we move on to plastic. Unfortunately, that is an insulator. Make sure you're writing these notes down so you have them tracked. Brass, that is also a conductor. Wood, unfortunately, that is not a conductor. It is an insulator. Silver, this is an conductor. Iron, it is also a conductor. Next is glass. This is an insulator. And last one, a mechanical lead pencil. And that is a conductor. But one thing I notice is that the light is shining a little less bright. So let me go here. Brighter. And not as bright, which tells me that it's sort of some of the electrons, they're getting slowed down as it passes through the lead from the mechanical pencil, and it does not give off the same amount or slows down the electrical current.